Here we go. We're going. We are going to the graveyard. Just not entering the cemetery.
Tariq Wardle. His mom went to the graveyard to visit her grandmother's grave. When she came home, she told Tariq that the parrot was acting different. He instantly remembered the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ when he said, when the kuffar are put in their graves, everything can hear their screams and their shouts except al-thaqalain, al-ins wal-jinn. So he took the parrot back to the graveyard and he recorded.
Yeah.
Watch what happened.
Watch out for the grave.
What happened? Tripping. She's not acting cool anymore.
Yeah, she was having fun earlier. Now she.
See now, subhanAllah, the parrot before he was happy. Now look.
Her behavior just changed. Now she's nuts.
Allahu Akbar. See what he's saying? The
so
behavior of the
anymore.
parrot changed. She's not happy anymore.
I'm getting creeped out right now.
SUBHANALLAH. You know how parrots, they mimic the voice that they hear? Look at the screams, the high-pitched screams.
Screams. She's looking down.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allah. Oh my God.
Allahu Akbar, what is he seeing? Allahu Akbar.
Oh, she's getting scared.
Over here. She's tripping.
Alright, we're leaving and she is ready to leave. Go ahead. Look at her. She wants to go in the car, dude. She's gone, bro. She outie. She is outie. Take me home.
She's happy.
Take me home. She said.
Yeah, you want to leave.